À 2 pas de l'île de Seurasaari se trouve l'île de Pukkisaari, à Helsinki. C'est un village marchand de l'âge de fer. En Finlande, cette période est comprise entre l'an 600 et l'an 1300 après Jésus-Christ. Depuis plusieurs années, se déroule une course de biathlon avec ski en bois rudimentaire et habits traditionnels. Écoutons Olli à ce sujet.
Whenever I want, I start. Okay, so where do I start? Most of the clothing we're wearing is made out of natural materials, or actually all of it. Usually we use linen, wool and leather, mostly, but also hemp and nettle would be historically accurate in that sense that we have findings of those materials used as well. They're just not as easily located. Finnish findings are problematic in that sense that we don't have so much findings here. Archaeological excavations haven't given us much textile, and everything we have is found due to jewelry or something like this being used. So these brooches and things like this are the ones, the small pieces of textile attached. And these are the findings we can use to reconstruct the kind of material or maybe even shapes if they are heavily decorated. Most of the information we get is out of research by archaeologists and so on, and also of course people who are who are into it make their own patterns and put them online as well. So that's the basic structure, the basic path to go. Finnish findings are so rare that we are forced to use different things out of other nearby areas. So a lot of what I'm wearing, what a lot of people are wearing, is actually based on findings from either Russia or Sweden, or maybe in some part from Estonia also.
Cette année, pas de neige. Pour une course du biathlon, ça peut poser problème. Qu'à cela ne tienne, les organisateurs ont trouvé la parade. Les skis seront portés par les participants, sur la nuque pour les hommes, dans le dos pour les femmes. Il ne faut que quelques minutes pour faire le tour de l'île. La séance de tir à l'arc. La cible est une représentation d'un renne. À ce propos, la religion des Sâmes, peuple autochtone de la Finlande, était le chamanisme. Le chaman était un médiateur entre la communauté et les dieux, les esprits et les ancêtres. Son tambour magique, de forme ovale, était composé d'un arceau de bois sur lequel était tendue une peau épilée de renne. Le marteau utilisé pour battre le tambour était en bois de renne. Des sacrifices d'animaux étaient pratiqués lors des cérémonies. Le renne était un animal vénéré.
started in 1997, and it was built by mostly by volunteer force, also helped by people who were employed as a support measure by the city. And we also had European Union funding for the project for the first 5 years of the village, so we were able to build these buildings here, which are not direct reconstructions, because there's nothing to reconstruct, again, because the lack of findings. But what we have is bases of houses, and we have a lot of ethnographic material found, which has been gathered since the late 18th century in Finland. So we have a lot of material, especially on the other side of the on the other side of the bridge. You come here to there's Seurasaari, which is like this outside museum, open air museum, where there are these old Finnish buildings, which earliest of which date to early 17th century. But of course, nothing older than not much older than that we have anything of. So what is done here is that we have made these educated guesses about how things could have been like, and this has been done together with these people who have been active in the association on their free time, by the university researchers, and also the people from the museum authority have been involved in making sure everything here looks like as good as it gets, as you could say.
Aamusella tulin tupaan, aamusella, aamusel. Supariki tsuptsiki kaalinna, supariki tsuptsiki kaalinna, kaalinna, maalinna. Supariki tsuptsiki kaalinna, aikaan ennen aamun koiton, aikaan ennen aamun koiton, aamun koit. Supariki tsuptsiki kaalinna, supariki tsuptsiki kaalinna, kaalinna, maalinna. Supariki tsuptsiki kaalinna. Menin pellon, menin metsään mä